Students, welcome to the online classes of chemistry. So, today we will discuss about the other chemical properties, the oxidation of a methyl ketone by haloform. Oxidation of So here the oxidation of methyl ketones. Methyl ketones by haloform reaction. By haloform reaction. By haloform reaction. Look here students, what is haloform? So it may be chloroform, it may be iodoform, or it may be bromoform. So here how the oxidation of methyl ketone takes place. Students, here the aldehydes and ketones which contains at least one methyl group. It must contain at least one methyl group and it is linked or bonded to carbonyl carbon atom. And when it is treated with sodium hypochlorite, so therefore it undergoes oxidation forming salts of carboxylic acid, sodium salts of carboxylic acid. And then the methyl group is converted into haloform. The methyl group is converted into haloform. It is a very important reaction. It carries 3 marks. So here they ask oxidation of methyl ketone by haloform or explain haloform reaction in case of ketones. So therefore here we know that aldehydes and ketones, containing, you may write containing or having, containing at least one methyl group. It is also called as methyl acetone. So containing at least one methyl group or methyl acetone, or you may write in general methyl ketone. Methyl group linked to the carbonyl carbon atom or oxidized by sodium hypohalite, NaOX, sodium hypohalite to sodium salts of carboxylic acid containing one carbon atom less than the parent compound. Here the methyl group is converted into haloform. Look here students, the methyl group is converted into haloform. Hence this reaction is called haloform reaction. This reaction is called as a haloform reaction. Here remember, aldehydes and ketones containing at least one methyl group, that is methyl ketone, linked to the carbonyl carbon atom are oxidized by sodium hypohalite to sodium salts of carboxylic acid containing one carbon atom less than the parent compound. Here the methyl group is converted into haloform, hence this reaction is called as a haloform reaction. Look here, very simple reaction. I will write the general reaction. R C double bond O CH3. So the carbonyl group containing at least one methyl group. So here, so the aldehydes and ketones containing at least one methyl group linked to the carbonyl group. So here when it is treated with sodium hypohalite, it is called as sodium hypohalite, NaOX. So then it undergoes oxidation here. It forms COONA, COONA, or you may write COONA plus CHX3. It is called as haloform. And here it is the sodium salts of carboxylic acid, which contains one carbon atom less. So look here students, here. So here it has, that is 1, 2, 3. So here only it has 2, that is one carbon atom less. I will give an example here. If you take a stone CS3, C double bond O, CH3, when it is treated with sodium hypoiodite, look here, sodium hypoiodite, and then here it forms CS3 COO Na, sodium acetate plus CHI3, that is called as iodoform. Look here students, this is the reaction here. When acetone is treated, acetone is having one methyl group linked to the carbonyl carbon, and then it forms sodium acetate, and then iodoform is formed. And here, if the organic compound containing a double bond or triple bond, so it does not matter for the reaction. The double bond and triple bond remains as it is. I will show an example here. Another one. Look here, CH3. If the compound contains double bond and triple bond, so CH3, CH double bond C, CH3, and it is C double bond O, CH3. Look here students, it is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So it is pent, and then 1, 2, 3, 3 En, 2 ONe. So then here third position methyl group is there. So it is called as 3-methyl pent, 3-methyl pent, 3En double bond and 2 ONe. So it is its name. And when it is treated with sodium hypochlorite, NaOCl, sodium hypochlorite, look here students, it forms CH3, CH double bond. So double bond does not have any, that is does not affect it. CH3, COO, CH3, C, OONA plus CH, Cl3, chloroform is formed. Chloroform is formed. Look here students, here carbon atom 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and here 1, 2, 3, 4. So one carbon atom is less. So one carbon atom less. As compared to its parent carbon. So here it is the reaction students here. So look here, so here when this double bonded compound is treated 3-methyl, so pent 3En 2-ONe treated with sodium hypochlorite, it forms chloroform. It is also called as haloform, and here the product is having one carbon atom less as compared to its parent, Look here, this is the difference here. And this type of reactions are called as a haloform reaction. So here they may ask for 2 marks or 3 marks question, and here you have to write only one reaction. You may write general reaction or you may write an example. So this is the statement here. So then next one, very important reaction students, aldol condensation. And this reaction is also called as reaction due to alpha hydrogen. Means aldehydes and ketones which contains alpha hydrogen, they only undergoes aldol condensation. And here it undergoes aldol condensation due to the acidity of alpha hydrogen. They react with base, they react with alkalis, and they undergo condensation reaction, and hence it is called as aldol condensation reaction. Look here. Reaction due to alpha hydrogen. It is called as acidity of hydrogen, acidity of alpha hydrogen, acidity of alpha hydrogen, acidity of alpha hydrogen of aldehydes ketones. Reaction due to alpha hydrogen. So what do you mean by alpha hydrogen, students? So here the aldehydes and ketones which contains alpha hydrogen atom, one alpha hydrogen atom, at least they must contain one alpha hydrogen. Then what is alpha hydrogen atom? I will write here, I will show. Look here, CH double bond O. Here aldehyde group is attached. This one is aldehyde group. So no alpha hydrogen atom. Alpha hydrogen atom means it must attach to the alpha carbon atom. It must attach to the alpha carbon atom. Then I will write. Look here, students. Here it is the functional group and the next carbon is called as alpha. Its next carbon is called as beta. So at least it must contain, that is at least one alpha hydrogen. It contains 3 alpha hydrogen atom. So therefore here it has alpha hydrogen atom. It has alpha hydrogen atom. And then students, look here, another I will show here. Look here, it is benzaldehyde. So benzaldehyde does not contain alpha hydrogen atom. No alpha hydrogen atom. No alpha hydrogen atom. Look here, this aldehyde group is directly attached or linked to the benzene ring. So therefore these are unsaturated carbon atom. These are unsaturated carbon atom. This does not have alpha hydrogen atom. So therefore here this one formaldehyde and then this benzaldehyde does not have alpha hydrogen atom. And then students, here another one, so acetone CH3 C double bond O CH3. So here it is alpha, alpha dash. Look here, here it has 3 alpha and here also 3 alpha hydrogen atoms. It has alpha hydrogen atom. Look here, alpha, alpha dash. Like this, estophenone C6H5, C6H5, COCH3. So it is here, it is alpha. So here it has alpha hydrogen atom. So therefore, the formaldehyde and benzaldehyde does not contain alpha hydrogen atom and these does not undergo aldol condensation. Student, they may ask in the examination why formaldehyde does not undergo aldol condensation. Because formaldehyde and benzaldehyde does not undergo aldol condensation because these do not contain alpha hydrogen atom. Means alpha carbon atom is not there and therefore alpha hydrogen atoms are absent. So only this acetaldehyde, propanaldehyde, butyraldehyde and then acetone, estophenone, so these undergoes alpha aldol condensation. Now here it is clear to you all. So that is acidity of this the aldehydes and ketones which must contain at least one alpha hydrogen atom. When these are reacted with or treated with dilute alkali, so they undergo aldol condensation. They undergo aldol condensation. Let us see that is what is aldol condensation. So here I will show the example. Look here, aldol condensation. Students, here aldehydes and ketones, aldehydes and ketones which contains at least one alpha hydrogen atom, means it must attach to or linked to alpha carbon atom. So, one alpha hydrogen atom, so which contains one alpha hydrogen atom, undergo aldol condensation in presence of, so here you must take that is a dilute alkali, in presence of a dilute alkali. It may be NaOH or KOH, dilute alkali. So here it may dilute, that is a NaOH or KOH. So then here aldol condensation in presence of at least one alpha hydrogen atom undergo aldol condensation in presence of dilute alkali, forming, look here, the products are very important one, forming beta hydroxy aldehydes and beta hydroxy ketones. So beta hydroxy aldehydes and beta hydroxy ketones. Look here students, this reaction is called as a aldol condensation. So this reaction is called as a look here. So what happens here? I will show an example here. So how the aldol condensation takes place. Look here students, number 1 I will write here CH3 C double bond O, it is H, it is called as acetaldehyde, which is having alpha carbon, 3 alpha carbon atoms. So students, here I will write another aldehyde like this CH2 CHO. So two same aldehyde, acetaldehyde CH3 CHO, CH3 CHO. So then in presence of dilute NaOH, so look here, then it forms CH3 COH, it is H, it is CH2 CHO. Look here students, and when this product is heated to high temperature, it loses water molecule. The water is removed. Look here, water is removed. So when water is removed, it forms CH3 CH double bond. Here OH is removed and hydrogen is removed and it double bond occurs here. Then double bond CH CHO, it is called as 1 2 3 4 but 2En Al. Look here students, here, and here it is called as alpha hydroxy aldehyde. So look here, beta hydroxy aldehyde. So why it is called as beta hydroxy aldehyde? Look here, this after this functional group, it is alpha, and then it is a beta, it is gamma. Look here students, why these are called as beta hydroxy aldehydes and beta hydroxy ketones? It is alpha, it is beta group, that is beta group contains OH hydroxy, hence it is called as beta hydroxy aldehyde. And why it is called as aldol? ALD. Look here students, if I close this OH group and you will find aldehyde group, aldehyde, and if I close here CHO, you will find alcohol is OL, then here aldehyde and alcohol, aldol, it is called as aldol. So it is the main product here. And when it is heated to high temperature, it loses water molecule and it forms but2enal, butanol, 2-butanol. So here it is the example. So it carries 3 marks. What is aldol condensation? Then students, I will take another example. So acetone, CS3. Look here, acetone. It is acetone. It contains 2, that is alpha carbon atoms, plus I will write another acetone like this, second acetone, and here the linkage takes place like this, and then in presence of barium hydroxide, so here it forms CH3, COH, CH3, CH2, CO, CH3. Look here, students. Here it is called as, here it is functional group is there, and this one is called as alpha, and this one is called as beta, alpha, beta, gamma, and here these are called as beta hydroxyketones. These are called as beta hydroxyketones. Ketones, and it is called as ketol. Look here, here if I close this alcohol, you will observe ketone group, and if I close this ketone group, then you will observe this alcohol. So it is called as ketone plus alcohol, ketol. So beta hydroxy, and when it is heated further, it loses water molecule. Look here, the water molecule is removed here. The water molecule is removed, and then here it forms the product CS3, C, double bond, CH, CH3, then it is COCS3. Look here, students, CH3, CCS3, and OH is removed, double bond occurs here, one hydrogen atom is removed and OH is removed, double bond occurs here, and then it is CH, COCS3. So then here its name is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So it is pent 3En. So 1, 2, 3, 3En, and then 2 ONE, and the third that here 1, 2, 3, 4, fourth group contains 4 methyl. So it is called as 4 methyl pent 3En 2 ONE. 4 methyl pent 3En 2 ONE. So look here, students, it is called as aldol condensation. You may write any one reaction. If they ask acetaldehyde, you write acetaldehyde, and you may ask the acetone, you write acetone, and here 2, that is aldehyde or 2 ketone molecule undergoes. So condensation here, it is called as condensation, aldol condensation, forming beta hydroxyaldehyde and forming beta hydroxyketones. And these products, when heated, they loses water molecule, forming the respective, that is butanol, and then respective, that is methyl pent 3En ONE. So it is ketonic group and it is aldehyde group. So here it is called as aldol condensation. Then they may ask why formaldehyde and benzaldehyde does not undergo aldol condensation. Because formaldehyde and benzaldehyde does not contain alpha hydrogen atom. Hence they do not undergo aldol condensation. Then they may undergo another reaction called Kenizerose reaction. So the aldehydes and ketones which do not contain alpha hydrogen atom, they undergo Kenizerose reaction. It may be discussed later on. Then look here. Then another one, that is called as a look here students, cross aldol condensation. Cross aldol means when two different aldehydes or when two different ketones or a mixture of aldehydes and ketones undergoes aldol condensation in the presence of dilute alkali. So, it is called as cross aldol condensation, and here totally you will get 4 product, and out of 4 product 2 are from cross aldol condensation and 2 are from the same aldehyde or same ketone. So, this is called as a cross aldol condensation. So, look here, when two different aldehydes are different are two different ketones or a mixture of aldehyde and ketones are treated with dilute alkalis, it undergoes cross aldol condensation, forming four products. If you take it, forms 4 product, forming 4 product. It is called as cross aldol condensation. Look here students, what happens here? So, I will write here. So, look here, I will write CH3 CHO acetaldehyde plus CH3 CH2 CHO propanaldehyde. I will write in short, that is propanol, and then I will write this shortcut ethanol, ethanol, propanol. When these are treated with dilute alkalis, when these are treated with dilute alkalis or dilute NaOH, so it undergoes cross aldol condensation. Look here student, it forms 4 product. So, that is number 1 CH3 CH double bond CH CHO. Look here, it is the first product. It is called as 1 2 3 4 but 2En Al butanol, number 1 product. And number 2 product, look here, CH3 CH CH3 CH CH2 C CH double bond C CH3 CHO. It is the second product. Number it has number 1, number 2. So, what is its name? What is its name? So, look here, its name is 1 2 3 4 5. It is called as a pent, and then 1 2 En, and then Al pentanol. So, then here it is 2 methyl pent 2En Al. Look here students. So, what is the name of this compound? Second compound, it is 2 methyl pent. So, it is pent 2En Al, pent 2En Al. So, here it is formed by the combination of 2, that is ethanol, 2 ethanol. It is formed by 2 propanol. And then what is the third product? Third product is, I will write the third product CH3 CH double bond C CH3 CHO. Look here students, and here it is the third product, and its name is 1 2 3 4. So, it is 2 methyl but 2En Al. So, it is called as a third product. It is a third product. What is the name of this compound? 2 methyl but 2En Al. So it is the third product. Then students, what is the fourth product? Plus fourth product is CH3, CH2, CH double bond, CH, CHO. Look here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, pent. It is the fourth product, pent, 2En, Al. Look here, the fourth product is pent 2En, Al, pentanol. Is it clear? So here it is fourth product. So you have to write these four products as it is. When ethanol is treated with propanol in presence of dilute NaOH, it undergoes cross. Here it is from 2 ethanol and it is 2 propanol, and here the third one is formed by ethanol plus propanol, and here it is propanol plus ethanol. Look here students, it is the combination here. This product is formed by 2 ethanol and this product is formed by 2 propanol, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. And this product is formed by ethanol plus propanol, 1, 2 eth and 1, 2, 3, so that is propanol. And this product is from propanol 1, 2, 3 and ethanol 1, 2, so propanol plus ethanol. So it is similar to that, look here, it is similar to that A plus B, it gives, so look here, it gives AA plus BB plus AB plus BA, like this. It is like this. If it is ethanol is A and propanol is B, then it gives AA, ethanol, and propanol, and ethanol plus propanol, and propanol plus ethanol. So it is like this. A plus B is equal to AA, BB, AB, it is AB and plus BA, like this. So then, if they ask in detail how these four products are formed, remember students, here how these four products are formed. I will write here the first product first and the next product second and the third and fourth one by one. So I will show one by one. Here it is the first product. So how this first product is formed? I will show here. And second product. Look here, how the first product is formed. Number one, I will rub all those things and it is very clear to you. Look here. I will write number one. First one, look here, CH3, C double bond H plus I will write another CH2, CHO. Look here students, AA. So then here this OH and here it attacks here and then here it forms CH3, COH, it is H, it is CH2, it is CHO. When it is heated, so it loses water molecule. So water molecule is removed, then it forms CH3, CH double bond, CH double bond, CH, CHO. It is called as but 2En Al. Is it right? The first product. And then second product, 2-propanol. Second product, CH3, CH2, I will write the second product like this, propanol, ethanol, then second ethanol. Look here students, here I will write the another propanol like this. Look here, CH3, CH2, CHO. Why? Why this is written like this? Why not it is written like this? Look here, CH3, CH2, C double bond OH, and another I will write CH2, CH2, CHO. Why not it is written like this? And here it is, it may be attached like this. Why not? It is not possible. Why it is possible? Because it is the primary carbon atom, it is secondary carbon atom. In reactivity, the secondary carbon atom is more reactive. So therefore, this hydrogen is more reactive and it reacts in presence of alkali. And here it is secondary. So therefore, due to this reason, 1, 2, 3. So it is R. You may come that is in this direction. 1, 2, 3. So the secondary carbon, it is called as secondary carbon, and this hydrogen is more reactive as compared to this primary. Is clear, students? So then due to this reason, this second propanol is written like this. It is also propanol. So then here it attacks and here it attacks here. It forms CS3, CH2, COH, H, and it is CH. Here it is attached here, CH, CH3, and then it is CHO. So when it is heated, it loses water molecule. So water molecule is removed here, and then here it forms CH3, CH2, then CH, this is CH, and then double bond C, CH3, CHO. Look here, students. It is the second product. So here it is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It is pent, and then it is 2-methyl, pent, 2-methyl, 2-en, Al. Look here. Is clear? It is 2-methyl, pent, 2-en, Al. It is the second product. And then the third product. So third product is ethanol plus propanol. Ethanol plus propanol. Look here. CS3, C double bond O, H plus propanol. Again this is the secondary carbon is more reactive. And then I will write like this. Then here it attacks here, it forms CS3, CH, CS3, CH, OH, it is OH, and it is CH, CCS3, CHO. Look here, CS3, CH, and then it is OH, CH, CS3, CHOH, and then when it is heated, it loses water molecule. So here this water molecule is removed, and then it forms CH3, CH, double bond, C, CH3, CCS3, CHO. Look here, students. Here, due to the presence of the acetylene, it is 1, 2, 3, 4, that is 2-methyl, but 2-en, Al. Look here. Is it right? 2-methyl, but 2-en, Al. Then the fourth product, 2-propanol, CS3, CS2, C double bond O, H, plus another that is this ethanol. I will write ethanol as it is CS2, CHO, CS3, CS3, CHO. So here it is OH is attached here, and then here it forms CS3, CH2, COH, it is H, CH2, CHO. Look here, when it is heated, it loses water molecule, then it forms CS3, CH2, CH, double bond, CH, and it is CHO. It is called as 1, 2, 3, 4, pent, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, pent, 2-en, Al. Look here, students. Is it right? Pent 2-en, Al. Propanol plus ethanol. Then this set is ethanol plus propanol. Here first ethanol comes first. Ethanol, it is propanol, and it is ethanol. Look here, A plus B, B plus, and here only two cross product are there, and two products are with the same aldehydes, and that is, it is called as cross aldol condensation. You should not write all these detail. You write only that is first one, which I explained there. That is called as a cross aldol condensation. So students, here I think it is clear to you all. So here I written 4 products, how they form here. So these are the 4 products. Then what happens in case of if you use aromatic aldehyde and aromatic ketone, aromatic aldehyde and aromatic ketones, what happens? Look here, in case of aromatic aldehydes and aromatic ketones, so what happens here? Look here, if you take benzaldehyde, it is called as a benzaldehyde. When it is treated with estophenone, I will write estophenone like this. Estophenone, look here, C6H5COCS3, and here it attaches here, and then it attacks here. In presence of NaOH or KOH, it forms COH H, it is CH2 CO, then aromatic ring. Look here, so OH here forms it OH, and then CH2 is remained, it attacks here, and then it forms CHO. So here it is hydroxy group 1 2 3, so it is hydroxy, and ketonic group is there. So what happens when it is heated to high temperature? It is called as ketol, it is called as a ketol. So here it is ketonic group is there, and here it is alcoholic group is there, it is called as a ketol. So what happens when this ketol is heated to high temperature? When it is heated to high temperature, it loses water molecule. Look here, then it forms CH double bond CH CO. Look here students, it is the compound here. So what is the name of this compound? And we know that it is the longest chain, ketone 1 2 3. It is called as prop, and for this prop 1 it is phenyl, it is also phenyl 1 comma 3 diphenyl. Look here, 1 phenyl, 2 phenyl, 1 phenyl, 3 phenyl, 1 3 diphenyl, 1 3 diphenyl prop 2 En, 2 En, 1 ONE. Look here students, it is the name of this compound, 2 En, 1 ONE. So it is also called as, look here, it is also called as, look here, this much is called as benzol, it is also called as a benzol estophenone, benzol estophenone. It is called as a benzol estophenone. So it is also called as a aldol condensation. Look here students, this is an example when aromatic that is benzaldehyde and estophenone is heated in presence of dilute NaOH. So it undergoes condensation forming 1 3 diphenyl prop 2 En 1 ONE, or it is also called as benzol C6H5CH is called as benzol estophenone. So here it is this reaction, and then last one, another one is there, that is called as Kenizerose reaction. So what happens if the aldehydes and ketones does not contain alpha hydrogen atom? If the aldehydes and ketones does not contain alpha hydrogen atom, and when they are treated with concentrated alkali, not dilute, concentrated alkali, so they undergo Kenizerose reaction. Means they undergo mutual oxidation reduction reaction. one aldehyde oxidizes to aldehyde oxidizes to carboxylic acid, salt of carboxylic acid, and another aldehyde group reduces to alcohol. So look here students, how the Kennesaro's reaction takes place. Kennesaro's reaction. Kennesaro's reaction. Look here. So what is Kennesaro's reaction? So the aldehydes and ketones are here, that is, remember the aldehydes which do not contain alpha hydrogen atom undergo self, or it is called as mutual self oxidation and reduction reaction. It undergo this reaction is also called as the disproportionation. Disproportionation. This reaction is also called as a disproportionation reaction. So here, on heating with self oxidation reduction reaction, on heating with concentrated alkalis or strong alkalis, concentrated alkalis or strong alkalis. So here remember students, one molecule of aldehyde reduces to alcohol, and one molecule of aldehyde oxidizes to salts of carboxylic acid. Salts of carboxylic acid. So oxidizes to salts of carboxylic acid. Look here, I will show an example. HCH double bond O formaldehyde, which does not contain alpha hydrogen atom, and I will take another aldehyde, 2-aldehyde, and when it is heated with sodium hydroxide, it forms CH3OH plus HCOONE. So one is, that is, one molecule reduces to alcohol, another molecule oxidizes, reduces. Addition of hydrogen, reduction. Addition of oxygen, one oxygen is more. So here it contains only one oxygen, here two oxygen, means it is oxidized product. And here hydrogen is only 2 and hydrogen is 3 plus 1 4, and it is called as reduction, addition of hydrogen. Then I will write another example. Benzaldehyde. I will take 2 molecules of benzaldehyde. When it is heated in presence of NaOH, so it forms one alcohol, CH2OH. It is called as benzyl alcohol, plus another one is COONA, sodium benzoate. Look here students, it is the reducer product, it is the oxidized product. Oxygen is more, hydrogen is more. So I think all the reactions are clear to you. So remaining part of the reaction will be discussed in the next video. So thank you.